Last call, place your bets. 1,300 meters is the distance. Only one entry, the favorite, Bondi Babe. Walking forward now, Bondi Babe. All set now, ready to race. Race number 6. Away they go. Yes, Commander. Wings beneath, rushing up by the rails. AJ Special. Channel under. Bondi Babies running by the rail. Kissable Toys. Bedroom Blues ready to rumble. AJ Special, Wings beneath, fighting it out for the lead. And 2 lengths, corner back, third, Yes Commander. Channel under, Bondi Babe, running down on the inside, Bedroom Blues, ready to rumble. And Kissable Toys now running at the tail of the field. Passing the last 700, Wings beneath by half a lane, AJ Special. Yes Commander racing in third by about 4 lengths. And moving about the outside, ready to rumble. Bedroom Blues, Bondi Babe second last. And Kissable Toys as they race the last 500. AJ Special regains the lead from Wings beneath as they race the final corner. AJ Special by about 4 lengths now. Wings beneath on the outside, rushing up, ready to rumble. AJ Special ready to rumble. Wings beneath, Yes Commander. AJ Special ready to rumble to grab the lead. It's now ready to rumble and finish the game by about 3 lengths over AJ Special. Yes Commander, Wings beneath, Kissable Toys, Bedroom Blues, Bondi Babes.